Welcome to everybody. My name is Sandro Bottazzo. I'm the CSO of Fridge Studio AG. And you see here on my left side our newest loading system, the insert load. The insert load is a completely new automation for our S33 and S31 for all the 400, 650 and 1000 machines. And which is really great on that loading system is the really fast setup and change of the automation. So you need only less than 15 minutes for setting up the loading system and start the production and the loading of the parts. And that is unique. Even easy on that loading system is the whole control. So it's really you don't need much experience in software. You don't need much experience in knowing all the automation stuff, and it's really an easy setup and an easy control. We are showing that loading system on an exhibition. In addition, we have at Studio two other automation systems. We are here at the S33 with our second loading system, the Uniload. We launched last year during the exhibition, and even here it's a completely Studio owned loading system which fits on the S33 perfectly. We have our third automation system on the S131R. You can see here on the left side the Studio Roboload, which we launched 2 years ago during EMO in Milan. And this machine, it's really easy to use. It's really easy to manage. You see the control, and it's really flexible. It's easy, and it will be completely integrated in our UGG core panel, which you see here on the right side. The UGG core panel is worldwide unique in our industry, and it's really the best way to make the digitalization and the connectivity on a grinding machine. And the UGG core panel is available on all United grinding machines, or all machines from each brand. At least the high-end and the mid-range machines has the new core panel. The S100 is our new machine we launched last year during the EMO in Milan, which is our entry-level ID grinding machine. It's going to the segment of entry-level grinding products for all ID grinding tasks. It's an important and a good machine for the hydraulic, for die and mold, for machine tool builders, for grinding all parts with ID diameters. This machine is even equipped with an OD wheel as well as an ID wheel. Compared to the other machines, we have on that machine an easy control, which is based on the macro control. And you see, compared to before, to core, it's much easier. It's an easy entry-level control, which fits perfectly to the market of entry-level products. At the Studio Favorite, it's another entry-level product from our company. We see here, and that's the novelty on that machine. We see the first time we are showing that machine as well with the core panel. So it's completely new. It's the first time we are showing. Well, on the Favorite, on the entry-level product as well, actually is core with the core panel. This machine, it starts price-wise much lower than 300,000 euros. So it's a really entry-level product, together with the S100 we have seen before, and the Favorite CNC, which we have in our product portfolio, but what is not shown actually at EMO. Here in the middle of our booth, of our United Grinding booth, we see the customer care corner with our partner Transaction Network, our digital business, with our United Grinding digital solutions, and our customer care. That's everything, that's the whole solutions we are providing from Studio, but even from United Grinding. So thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you soon in Switzerland, in Thun, at Fridge Generatie. Thank you very much.
We are a platform, we are software as a service platform, we are a cloud platform, so we can help machine builders to communicate with their customer. This is the important thing, that we reduce the job effort on a machine and also that we can increase spare parts business. This is what you see. Maybe you must allow a little bit switch with your camera. You see the overview. I'm a customer from United Grinding, for example, and then I look on this platform, and then I see in this overview all my machines, what I have, what stand in my shop floor. This is thinking. And then I need some information about some machine. Of course, I can searching, I can everything make it. Then I get completely overview about the whole machine. I have the machine information, for example, and this is very important. When will it make the construction design acceptance test? When was it? And after this, I can also see all the documents, for example, for these machines. You don't need paper. You can have it directly in this customer portal, where you can download it, for example, if you make it. Was it the demo data? Actually, what you have then also this data. You can also have all the customer information. Where's your sales contact? Where's the service contact to this machine? And then you can get the whole list. The whole bill of material you will get. You have it here on the right side. What's the EMO machine? What is the material in the machine? You have how many we have on stock. Who is to buy? My price. It's a custom-oriented price. And if you go directly in the detail, I see also detail about all this information. So you have your part number, you have your CAD data, the export drawing. Although you can also buy videos. So you have, for example, for maintenance jobs, you have some instructions for the service technician to make here also. If you go in there, one of these this might be the thread that you can look. There's a 3D course. You can put it here directly, or you can say, okay, what is this? And then I have it directly in my list. I have all this function. I can say buy it, and it will just I have also in my machine as information about maintenance jobs. There is a calendar with all maintenance jobs here. If you buy a new machine, then you get all the jobs as a maintenance directly in this calendar. You have documents here, you have a checklist and so on, and you can a lot of things to do. And you as a machine builder knows when it was done, and you can make a bill with it. Right. You have also in this part not only maintenance job, you have also the service request, so we have all the tickets behind. Until you have also, for example, the live data of this machine. So we have the full stack around after sales, around the customer service in one portal. And the special thing is that we get it in a really fast way, so we can set up a new customer or new machine builder on this platform in 7 weeks. We have it done. We have the onboarding done in 7 weeks, and this is very, very fast. And also we can put for one customer different machine builders, and this is very, very new in this market. And this how to say, you have machine in one process line, yeah? Then you have in this process line but different machine builders. And for this you need one system with every machine builder in one process line. To overall, so completely process line, to all your information, overall your machine bills. This is the idea behind. And this is very, very interesting. So we can get everything, every machine below on one platform, and you as a customer have on one platform every information.
Don't matter the producer of the machine. You can put from Mazak and from Studer and from Okuma.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah.
So we from United Grinding Group, we offer a set of digital solutions to support our customers during the entire machine life cycle, particularly when the machine is in operation. So for our customers, it's very important that the machine has the maximum uptime and maximum availability. And for that, we have, for example, a remote service solution directly at our core panel at the machine. So it's very simple for the operator or for the customer to send us a service request when there is any issue with the machine. So we can select the importance of the issue. We can type our contact data. We can type an error description. We can attach, for instance, a screenshot and simply send the request by pushing one button. So now the request is processed, and in our customer care center, we will see that this customer has sent us a request that there is an issue with the machine maybe, and we will tell the customer when we have received the request that we are ready to connect. So now I have confirmed that I'm ready to connect to the machine. And on the customer side, I see now a red bubble appearing, and I can go to the conference center and write, for instance, a text message saying I'm ready. Hit the button. Oops. Yes. I'm saying I'm ready. I hit the button. I send the message to the customer care agent, and I can start a conference call. Yep. So now the phone is ringing at the customer care center, and I can pick up the call. So now I'm picking up the call, and we have now a video connection, direct connection to the machine. And here I have the option to go through an external camera, or to use an embedded camera to directly communicate with the customer care agent. I can also use a whiteboard to upload electrical scheme or maybe a picture, and I can directly point out to the customer care agent where I suspect an issue, and the customer care agent on his side, he can do the same and give also an advice on his side, which appears also on the customer side directly at the machine, which makes the communication with the customer care agent very simple and very efficient. So this is one solution that we offer. Another solution that we offer is the service monitor. Basically, you have a list of all the machines which are connected in the shop from United Grinding, and you get a list with all the maintenance tasks which have to be carried out over time, and you see the next due date for each task. You see the percentage of the time that has already elapsed. So here we have a set of tasks which are overdue, and we have some tasks which are upcoming. And like that, it's very easy to schedule the next maintenance routine, the next maintenance service, and do this for the complete machine shop. You can also go on a single machine. You can, for instance, do a shared desktop. For instance, we are now connected to one of our Studer machines,
And at customer side, the customer can, from a control stand, for instance, supervise the activities on each machine, or even take control if he wishes to. Another solution that we offer is our production monitor, which supports the customer to understand the productivity of his machine fleet or of his machine shop, and also of an individual machine. So here we see a list of the machines which are connected here on our fair, and we can see here an indication of the productivity of each machine. We can see this machine, for instance, the Blom Planomat, also the jobs. 6 jobs have been completed. At the same time, the Walter Mini, 60 jobs are due and 65 have been completed. So it gives a very easy overview about the jobs which are pending and the productivity of the machine. So we are now in the Walter Mini Plus, and we see that the Walter Mini Plus has productive time of more than 3 hours, which equals to 68%. We have the availability time when the machine is not producing but ready to produce during setup, for instance, and we see that there was a small percentage of unavailability time where some error events, for instance, appeared. And that's the digital solutions that we at United Grinding offer to support our customers with next generation digital solutions.